Hey guys, it's Melody Lane, and I'm going to show you how to do double-sided print and cut.
You are watching Melody Lane. With me you're gonna have a great crafting time.
I have these printed out with my digital paper. I want them double-sided. Both sides are printed with that. I'm going to show you how to upload a pattern. It's much easier with digital paper than a pattern that's already in there. So just click the pattern fill and then browse and then find the image you want to upload as a pattern on your computer. I'm going to click on my Holly digital paper set and I'm going to choose the paper. I'm going to choose a JPEG. This is a fall set, so I could click on fall, I could choose the colors, and then all you have to do is save. Since I recently did this, I'm not going to do it again, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel. This will go away once it's saved. I'm just going to hit cancel, and I'm going to show you where it's at. So I'm going to click on here. This is set to cut because you can see the little scissors right here. We're going to go up here and we're going to change it to print. And then we're going to hit patterns and it's going to show the patterns. And it's actually not that one. It's this one. So I'm going to click on that. Now that's all I have to do here. If I don't want it the same as these, like as you can see here, I changed it a little bit. So each scene will be a little different. I click on edit and I can rotate it. You can change the scale here and do lots of other things. I've gone over this many times in my classes I do every Saturday morning at 11 a.m. If we go to make it, it's only going to print one side. Those are the leaves. I did the same thing with the leaves as I did with everything else. So how do we get this on the other side? Well, you open up the digital paper. With my digital paper, you get two sizes, 8.5 by 11 and 12 by 12. So on a Mac, you just click on your digital paper, go up to File, and go to Print. And then I can set this to print. I like to set borderless, and I like to do best quality and rear tray for mine, and I like to do heavyweight paper and then print. So then I'm going to print this and then I'm going to put this on my mat. Let me show you what I mean. So here's the paper I got from my printer. And then I printed this on top of that. So once I took this piece from my printer, I printed this first. Then I went to the computer and hit continue. And click send to printer and set up my printer. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I like to do advanced options and make sure I have it on best quality and heavyweight paper and print. I'm not going to actually print it because I already have. So I'm going to hit cancel for now. And this is 110-pound cardstock. So I'm going to go ahead and just click poster board and do regular default. And this has scoring lines in it. I'm going to add my score wheel. Let's go over to the machine. Okay, so I'm going to turn this over on the mat and lay this side down so it will cut this side. We're going to load this into the machine. We're not going to hit go yet because we have to load the scoring wheel. And hit go. So now it's going to read the registration marks before it does the scoring. So now it's checking the blade to make sure I have the correct blade in. Now it's scoring. Now it stops to tell me to change the blade. So let's change the blade. Hit go. now it's double-sided. This is not wasted. I can totally use this in scraps and for other designs. Let's get this off the mat. Now it's double-sided. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. In the description of this video, you'll find links to this project. And here's a shout out to a few of the people who support this channel on Patreon. Linda, Diane, Lisa, Robert, Kiona, Sandy, Ellen, Christy, Jennifer, Vivian, Kimberly, Carla, Deborah, Becky, Patricia, Bonnie, Stephanie, Bibi, Carol, Trish, Sandy, Cheryl, Jerry, Lynn, Donna, Cassandra, Kim, Sherry, Maria, Christy, Mel, Sharon, Mercedes, Julie, Lindsay, Tina, Debbie, Susan, Samantha, Claudette, Misty, Jen, Darla, Heather, Kathy, Julie, Megan, and Zoila. Thanks, guys. And a special thanks to my co-sponsors. You're awesome.